Hey everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are able to hear me a little bit better. I now have a microphone that is connected to my phone, so hopefully the sound will be a little bit better in my videos. Before we get to the video, I wanted to show you guys the dried results of the painting that you're going to see today. It is a 24 by 30 inch canvas, so it is a rather large canvas. My inspiration from this painting came from another painting that I had seen of a gorgeous ocean landscape. And this painting was made entirely of fish hooks. I thought that was so cool that the artist used these unconventional materials to make this gorgeous painting. So I was inspired to make kind of a fish hook painting of my own. It is a Dutch pour, and again, the canvas size is 24 by 30. And I'm really loving how this turned out. As you can see, kind of the fish hook shape on a macroscopic level. This painting is for sale in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, I will leave a link in the description box so you can check that out. And as usual, my colors and the formula that I use will be listed in the description box as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.